stop having this mentality that this person that is barbing a celebrity, that person is the good. Nobody is good. We are all learners. Do you understand? So, all right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to H3C High Universal Court. So today, I came to understand that a lot of us, most of us, we are too eager, as in we are rushing in this barbing industry, and we are like, how would I even put it? We are all in competition with ourselves, and it shouldn't be. See, let me tell you something. That person that you see that is barbing a celebrity's hair, that person is not better than you, and you are not better than that person. So stop having this mentality that this person that is barbing a celebrity, that person is the good. Nobody is good. We are all learners. Do you understand? So, but there are three things I'm going to tell us that differentiates you from that person that is barbing that celebrities. So I just want you to remove this mentality in you that this person is better than you because he is barbing a celebrity. It's not supposed to be so. You've been doing your own thing, your own way. That person is also doing his own thing. So it's less for you to continue. Stay consistent. Do you understand? Stay consistent. There is nobody that is not going to make it. What differentiates us from others, those that you think that they are better than you, what differentiates you and them is, there are three things. Now listen. The three things that differentiate you and other barbers that you think that they are better than you are: one, time. Even Bible made it clear that there is time for everything. Everyone has his own time to shine, to reign. Nobody reign forever, but we all have our own time to reign. So that person that you see that is barbing celebrity, maybe he started last 2 years, and you have started like 10 years ago. You have not had the opportunity to barb that celebrity. Now you think that you are not doing it right. Maybe you don't know how to barb. No, that is his own time. Your own time must surely come. What you need to pray is long life and stay consistent. Do you understand? Do what you are doing. Focus. Don't compete with anybody. Just be doing. Or even someone said that you are not doing it very well. Should be have people that you are barbing, and after barbing them, they will appreciate and say, "Wow, I love it." That is how it's supposed to be. Number two thing is what? Season. Yeah, let me just put this example now. If you plant cassava now, is it going to germinate now? No, it has its own season. So everyone has his own season to what? To germinate. So I just see, I've been looking at people. Maybe you see somebody that he barb white man, or he barb this person, he barb this big celebrity. You'll be like, you are not doing it well. The thing will be weighing you down. Remove that mentality in you, please. I'm begging you. I'm telling you out of experience. Remove that from you. And the third thing that differentiates you from that person that you think that is better than you is what we call grace. Everyone has grace, but grace differs. Do you understand? Grace differs. That's why you need to pray that God should give you grace. Everyone has his own grace. Understand? You may be the best barber. You may be the best barber in your street. Everyone knows you that this guy is good. This guy can cut. He's working hard. He's hustling. Bro, if grace have not found you, you will remain there. Do you understand? That's why you need to pray for grace. Everyone has grace. When your own time comes, you manifest. People will think that maybe you have put your hand into something bad, not knowing that it's your own time, your season, and your grace. Now, the last thing I want to add, which is very, very, very obvious, and you yourself know it, is avoid competition. Avoid competition. Stop saying that this one I'm better than you. This one you cannot do more than. No, my fellow barbers, no, please. Please avoid that. Be who you are. Be real. Don't copycat. Don't copy anybody. Just be who you are. God that created the way you are, He knows why He created you that way. So try to be unique. Be real. Be original. Don't fake your life. Do you understand? If a customer comes to your shop and maybe what he or she want to do, he don't know how to do it, tell the customer that I can't do this. Like me, I have customers that once they come, they want to lock their hair. I tell them that I don't lock hair. They go and lock it somewhere else and come back and blend it. I'll fade it for them. Some have been telling me that to go and learn it. I don't have that time. So don't just because of the money that you want to collect, you now collect what that you know that you cannot do. So you are being fake. Try to be real. Do you understand, guys? So if you love this video, if you learn one or two from here, please don't forget to follow me. Follow me for more. Comment, like and share. Somewhere else they like this video, so try to share this video. Let it circulate. Let other people learn from this. Understand? When we remove all this mentality in us, bro, sis, and you see yourself selling. Do you understand? Thank you, guys. I love you all. I love you all. This is our universal call, HUC. Follow me for more. We are going to grow. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group, just let me know. Put it in the comment section so that we interact. A lot of people that are in my WhatsApp group, almost 70 something people, they are from YouTube, Facebook. Do you understand? This is my new TikTok account. Follow me for more. You're going to learn a lot. I love you guys. Thank you.